Yeah, I'm about to step in the ring for the fight of my life. Hit my knees and I strap on my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was 7. And thing is, I'm already covered in blood. Walking in love, this for the ones who been stuck in the mud. Searching for hope. Trust me, I know what it feel like to drown in my problems. But God came and threw me the rope. Can't wait to look in his eyes. All of my life I've been battling lies. I found the truth and took off my disguise. Come for my head, I still live for the prize. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I was in the city going down, trying to blow. Everything changed when I learned to let it go. Hopping on stage, I ain't in it for the show. Only got one life, so I gotta let them know. Talk about real. I seen a man's whole bad hill. I seen a woman drooling out the mouth. I seen the demons in the casket out. I seen my brother throw his whole vape in the lake. Seen smooth hill from the dark. I seen the spirit change my own heart. Can't tell it all, but this a good start.
K to the second letter. Who got the keys to the Jeep and the Hiller? They ain't never been realer. I am not shook, I'm aligned, didn't chiller. My face blue steel, I ain't never been stiller. Ooh, KB ain't gotta get bigger. Ooh, Southside sing killers, bring light to the dark spots. Wake up, I didn't make up, just God the divine concealer. On the bread of heavens like the red and black 11s, walking through the pearly gates. Poppy do the most, I'm in the Holy Ghost. I'm looking like the Pope swerving raves. They gon' get the word today. I send a text back, never curved the fate. Jesus, curses break, slaves get freed and the words awake. Ever seen a dope dealer? Cold killer, gold brother crying on the floor with us. Cause your hoe hit him, had a hole in him, now you got a hole in it. Tell him the dead see here. We the new Israel, Israel, God really lives here. Watch the sin here, way more than 10. We begin here. We begin here. I put my hand on the Bible, the Lord is my witness. That KB is closer than blood. I got that HGA tatted right next to my heart, so you know it's gonna always be love. Don't need no contracts or labels. You know we got him a seat at my table. Hovey little bro, so I'm willing and able. I keep some riders at home in the stable. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I done told it all, but I still got more. Remember when the folks got killed next door? Partner told me sell pills, not blow. Shorty told me my career won't blow. Swear I don't care about the status. Why would I clout chase when God is my daddy? Take all my records, my money, my Grammys. I'm still gonna die richer than you can imagine. Jesus the king, I'm his prophet. Send me to Nineveh, I get it poppin'. They see an interview,
yo, what up, chat?
what up? I say come see what I do in my city. From cooling with Kendrick to walking through Romans with people in prison. Let me stop talking, cause man, I've been did it. Can't let my left hand on my right position. Y'all just gonna have to see when I transition. I can't tell it all,
feeling?
Man. Let's go.
How y'all feeling? W, happy, what is today? Happy Thursday, everyone. Welcome in. What's good? Good morning. We're here, baby. We're here. Yeah. Louis G is in the house. Good to have you back, man. Good to have Louis G back in the house. What up, Nikki? What up, J Mac? What up, Michael? What up, Magnus? Energy in the building. What's good, Andrew? LeGrand in the house. What up, LeGrand? What up, Diogo? Yo. 3 Ants in the building. What up, 3 Ants? What up, Z Gamer is in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What's good? YOLO Trader is here. Gregski's in the building. What's good, everyone? What up, Richard Lewis? What up, Nate G? Nate the G. Yeah, B21 in the house. What up, Raul Trades? What up, Gotta Trade is in the house. What up, Gotta Trade? What up, Mr. Lopez? How y'all feeling today, everyone? Everybody doing good? What's the good word, man? What's the good word? Give me one word. One good word here today. Yeah. Give the stream a like as you settle in here. We're going to get started pretty quickly here today. Let me just send the Zoom link out while I look at your one-word answers. Hey. All right. I think we are good. Let me go to Discord. Yeah. Mr. White Shark. Good. Freedom. Let's get it. All right, let me just send the Zoom link. Boom, boom, bam. Cool. All right, lovely. What's good, Raja? What's good? What up, Joseph? What up, PM Magnific? Go. All right, I think we're good. Zoom link's out. Let me share my screen. big chilling today. No work, no work. He's working. All right, let's do this. All right. What up, Wags? What's good, Engineer 14? Stephen B in the building. What up, Stephen B? What's good? What's good? All right, let's hey, let me pray for you guys real quick. I'd love to do that. It'd be an honor. I'm gonna go ahead and pray for y'all real quick. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you, Lord. I thank you for your people coming in here today. I ask that you bless them, Lord, that whatever's on their heart, whatever's on their mind, Lord, I pray that they would leave it at the foot of the cross, Lord. Leave it there for you to solve. We thank you for it, Lord. We thank you that you are the ultimate answer, Lord. We thank you for your truth. We thank you for your blessings upon us, and we just give you all the glory here today and every day, Lord. We thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. 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 Let's lower the music and let's get the day crack-a-lackin' here. Yeah, let's do it. Let me share my screen for the Zoomers. Let me share the music here. Boom. Okay. Grab my tools and we are good. We are good. So welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. It is Thursday here. It is the 15th of August, and we're at the halfway point. So we're at the halfway point here in the month. We're getting ready to gear up to really finish this month strong here, right? So let's do that today. Today's another day, another opportunity here for us to be patient, to be disciplined, and we're gonna do that here, right? We're gonna be observers of the market, and we're gonna just watch. You know what I mean? Just watch and learn. And if opportunities arise, then we will go ahead and step into those opportunities. So again, Thursday here, August 15th. You've got some red folder news coming in here at 8:30. As you can see, the US dollar, we've got core retail sales, we've got unemployment claims here as well, and then you got a couple orange folders a little bit later on as well. So, or actually at 8:30 here. So I think that's it, outside of just a bunch of yellow folders throughout the session. So we should have a lot of volume here today. There's news everywhere. There's red folders, orange folders, yellow folders. So we should have lots of volume coming in. And yeah, it should be a great day. So let's go ahead and get the day started. Let's take a look at some technicals and let's do a breakdown. Let me put my phone on the charger. And as I do that, if you could like the stream, sub to the channel, that'd be awesome. That would be awesome. Wiz Buddha in the house. Wiz Buddha, what up, vibes? What's good? What's good? All right, let's head into this top-down analysis here, and let's see what we can come up with on gold here today. So let's start here on the daily time frame and chat a little bit. Actually, let's take a peek at the weekly because there is some sort of a weekly celery play taking place right now. So looking at the weekly time frame, we're obviously bullish, right? We were consolidating for a little bit, and at that point we broke out, right? So very brief explanation here on the weekly. Although we did close bearish last week, we closed above the overall range. Therefore, you could potentially continue running up, breaking these highs, and just continue to make all-time highs here. So that is the weekly. So let's really talk about the daily here and see what we can come up with. So taking a look at this daily time frame, right? We ran up, we created this monster rally here. We came right into this support level. The candle closed with no top wick, right? So this candle came in, closed with no top wick, right at support. Next candle ends up closing bearish, no surprise. And then yesterday's candle, bearish as well, right? We anticipated this entire move happening and really taking place and coming down into this range right here. So no surprise here, man, that we closed. Look where we closed. Just look at it, right? Just look at this. Look where we closed, man.
You look at that.
Right at this level. So maybe, just maybe, we could start to create support at this point. Maybe even get a closure back above the range here today, and then it's on like Donkey Kong as we continue moving up and breaking highs and creating all new highs, right? So we got to keep this area in mind here. I'm open for sells today though, but we do have to keep this area in mind. We did not close below it either. We came down, we wicked into it just as expected, and then we kind of closed right at it there. So that is what's going on in the daily. So I believe if we do get closures somewhere, we have to look at the lower time frames for closures, but if we do get a range, some sort of a stronger support level around this area, then you should be good. You got clean traffic coming down to the left, plus that wick to fill, and yeah, sells could be just as valid here today as well. So let's take a look at the 4 hour and let's see where we can. Whoa. All right, so 4 hours been pumping here, man. So obviously CPI drove us down, right? We had this aggressive push down. Now we're coming back up right into this overall zone right here. So let's see what we end up doing in this zone. I think the 4 hour though is gearing up for some sort of a pullback, right? Some sort of a pullback depending on how we react to this overall previous support level right here, right? Because currently right now we are still below. So as long as we remain below here, there is a shot that the 4 hour candle could throw a resistance at us here and then begin to, you know, make its way back down a little bit, or just push down for a 4 hour candle to create a new support for the 4 hours, you know, 4 hour candles to continue moving up, right? So we'll see. The 4 hour looks like it's getting a bit tired. It is approaching this overall zone right here, and we'll see how we react to it. I think that is 2460. Yeah, 2460 there. So let's go ahead and look at the lower time frames here. Let's see if we can get some ranges and set ourselves up for success here. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, obviously we've been rallying, right? So we've been rallying since looks like the market opened yesterday. So we have a fresh support right here. We have a fresh resistance or previous level of support right over here. Let me move this. Why is that over there? All right, so we have this fresh area here. So this may be where we begin to range until NY opens. So let's go ahead and measure this range. This is going to be about a 30-40 pip range here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 30 minutes, see what else we can find out. We also have this area right here. Very important zone here, 2457 here. So we will see if you get closures back below 57, you may have some sells starting to play out as the 1 hour candle is going to break its own low. The 4 hour candle starts, you know, pulling back here after coming into this 2460 zone. So let's keep this area in mind, because if we stay above here, by the way, then look at this clean move that we have to retrace from yesterday. Right, so we can easily retrace this move here today. Let's go ahead and look at the 15. Yeah, this is perfect. So let's trap price here. Let's trap price and let's just surround it. So I think 30 minutes pretty clean. 15 minute is very nice as well. I see that we're continuing to close above 58 here. So I like buys, man. I like buys above 60. So buys look pretty clean. Sells are a bit choppy. I totally understand why price will move down, but it's a bit choppy. You know, we got about a 25, I would say 30 pip range, couple little minor supports in the way, but all in all, with volume, you should push through there if we do close below. But all in all, I do like this 15-minute time frame here. It's going to be like a 19 pip range that we've got price trapped in. So buys look pretty clean, man. I like buys above 60 here. You've got a fresh, clean move back up towards 65. So that's a nice range up here. I think it's like 50 something pips. Yeah, 55 pips. And then anything below, let's take a look at this one more time. So 4 hour bullish, daily bearish, 4 hour coming into this zone. Yeah, I think a 1 hour, I think a closure. I think if we can get this candle here to close bull, right, and then a bearish closure following that below the range, I would have much more confidence taking this sell here for price to move down at NY open, right? So that's kind of what I'm expecting in terms of any sells that take place. And buys are pretty clean above 60, just a straight breakout. Yeah, just a breakout. Any sort of breakout like this above 60 looks pretty good for NY open to continue pushing up. So that's the day as of 7:19 a.m. Eastern Standard Time here, man. So 15 looks good. I'm gonna pay attention to this time frame a little bit, and then I think we range for maybe another half hour or so, and then we'll probably start getting some volume as we move into pre-New York here. So that's it. That is the day, ladies and gents. That is the day. So buys are pretty clean above 2460 here. So clean buys above. And there is it. Oh, that's why I was up there. Got it. Okay, so buys above 60 here, and then sells are going to be pretty chill below below 58. Yeah, would love if I am taking sells. I really want to see this candle close bullish though, because I'd rather sell off of a resistance here, right? So I'd rather get something like this and then go ahead and take my sells. So we got a new resistance, we got a fresh breakout, and clean traffic to the left and volume coming in. So that would ideally be the sell position for me here today come NY open. And then again, buys are pretty clean. So that's it, man. That's the day. That is the day. So buys above 60 and sells below 58 here. Sells below. Almost had it. Almost looked like price wanted to close above here on the 15, but nothing. All right, man. That's it. AB Mike, what's good, brother? So those of you guys who are looking to trade very similar to me or exactly like me, not all of you guys are looking to do that. I know that. But for those who are, how were your ranges here today? How was the story in your mind here today? Did it line up with what I'm saying? Did it sound familiar, or was it totally different? Let me know. How's the music? This one song is so dang loud. Yeah, talk to me. Are we improving day by day? I remember I would get there before Raja would jump on, and I would do my top-down analysis. I would tell the story. I would break it down to my best ability, and then I'd wait for him to get on stream, wait to hear him talk about it, and then I'd see, hey, how close was I to him? Not just on the ranges, but the understanding of everything and all that, you know what I mean? And you know, day by day, week by week, it started getting closer and closer and closer. What up, Zoomers? How we feeling today? Let's get it. Let's get it. That's what's up. A lot of you guys right on the money. $4 hour? Yeah, 4 hours is key. 4 hours a major key. Off just slightly. That's good. That's good. If it's off just slightly, that means we are moving along. Update the record. Yeah, I gotta update the record here. Yeah. Hold on one sec. We gotta put, I think we gotta put 2 BEs. I forget. 2 BEs. Yeah. Everything else should be good. Same ranges? Nice, man. Nice, nice. Big W's. What up, Shelly? What's good? What's good? What up, Chala? Chala. Your notion in the house. Gang, I really wouldn't jump the gun on buys here off of this candle. You know, you're in this range now. We know that volume's coming in about, you know, what is this? Not 6 minutes, but 36 minutes, right? We know that the bulk of the extra volume now is going to come in about 30 minutes. There's no point in taking an onion right here. You want to wait for a breakout. So that's the difference sometimes between, you know, the understanding the volume times and the session times. It's okay, right? Because we got to close above somehow. So, but this also, we're not guaranteed to go up here, right? We're not guaranteed to actually close above. So this could either go up right away and you can make some money here, which would be awesome, or it could range, right, until the volume comes in, and then that range can either bring us down, right? So now you're stuck in this buy. You can't even pay attention to what we're saying on the stream because you're in drawdown, and all of a sudden, boom, you know, like price just continues driving down, and then you lose that trade. Or what's going to happen is price, you'll stay in the range, and then price will eventually close above, and then that's when I'll get in. But you know, I'm not going to worry about it through all this stuff. Yeah, we want to strike when the opportunity's there. So I understand. I used to trade this way too. Just kind of get in whenever, you know, I'm pretty sure it's going to move up, but I'd rather get in at this point when the opportunity's right smack in front of us. What up, Scott? Good morning, bro. Good morning, Dominic. Is the music too loud? It's still too loud. How about now? How about now? Hey gang, I think today's the last day that you guys are going to be able to get the webinar. So if you guys haven't gotten the webinar yet, today's the last day. It's going to be taken down off the website today. So all you have to do is come here, click webinar. You can get the 2 days here. So we left it open for those of you guys who asked if we could leave it open for a couple weeks. So it's there, but today is the last day. So yeah, it's coming down on the 15th, which is today. Today. Previous 30 closed, no top wick. Yeah. What's up, Arnie? How you doing, man? Webinar was straight fire too. Straight fire. And after today, it's definitely going to be around the price of one BTC. The Green Hippo made 66 pips yesterday. Let's go. W. Let's go. Let's go. Scott, how we feeling today? Got a trade, man. How you doing? Yeah, can we just say, would you look at that?
Look at this.
Got a trade and Scott have gotta be the top people in this like whole entire community that just literally serve people in the Discord. Like all I see is gotta trade just dropping straight up gems. Just straight up gems in the Discord. Like I really hope you guys are listening when that man's typing in the Discord. Like you have no idea. This dude's been trading since before some of us were born. Right? Before so take his advice, man. I approve of what Gotta Trade be saying in the Discord. Yeah, man. Raja, how you feeling today, bro? Bro. What's up? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. DJ Scratchers, would you look at that, man? Would you look at that? All right, nice. Yeah, so we got some volume coming in here. 7:30. I read God Trade's message in his voice. Yeah, we're can we replace John with God Trade in the live? Don't ever disrespect like that, bro. Put some respect on it. Morning. Hey, what up, Jay Finesse? What up, what up? Good morning, Xander. What's good, bro? Wish you held longer. Don't we all? Don't we all? Shoulda, coulda, woulda. All right, let's see. We might have some opportunity here if this candle closes above. But this closure is important here in about 45 seconds. Yeah, we'll see what happens. 20 seconds. 20 seconds and counting. How'd you guys do? How'd you guys do yesterday? Good? All right, nice, cool. So it looks like we did close. Above here. So if we can get a little bit of a bottom wick, I'm gonna have a buy stop here in the break of the highs. Yeah, let's see if we can make a bottom wick, and if we can, then I'm gonna have a buy stop. Let's go, Tom. W, bro. W. Got off the charts at the stream yesterday. Nice. James Clack in the house. What up, James Clack? Clack. Mr. Two Name. Which one's your real name? That's the question. What's the real name? All right, yeah, we're gonna need I'm gonna need a bottom wick here. So if we can get a bottom wick, then I'll probably have tighter stops too, and then use the current candle high as the entry. None of them. Good answer. Was that a fade at 6 a.m.? 6 a.m. Oh, nice. No. I think it was more of like a celery play, to be honest. I mean, you had a closure above here, right? So then these two candles kind of make up this like celery type of play. This first green candle gives you the breakout. Second one kind of sets up the celery here. So yeah, I think it was more of a celery play. Entry on the break of the highs. Stops kept here. Yeah. Yeah, I wanted these buys here, chat, but no bottom wick. None of them. Yeah, Dominic, that's true, right? That's true. Everyone trying to hit a grand slam every day. Since I've been sticking to Nick's playbook, I've been making money. Oh, snap. Hey, it's not my playbook. It's just a book of plays that just happen to be presenting themselves on a daily basis in the market. Base hits. Yep. Yeah, base hits. Yeah, would have liked to see a bottom wick here. I know we had a bottom wick, but that's, you know, that's not really sufficient. Yeah, wow, yeah. We have a lot of range to clean up here, man. A lot of range. The 15-minute breakout was amazing. Yeah, I was just waiting for a bottom wick. That's it. No bottom wick, though. No bottom wick, no entry. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Yep. Yesterday, remember? Yesterday it went up. No bottom wick. And then shoop, came right down. You got to make decisions in the market based off what happens most times, right? Not what happens sometimes. If you make your decisions based off what happens sometimes, then you flip the probability on yourself. So now you have an 80% lose rate, 20% win rate, right? We don't want that. We want 80% win rate, 20% lose. Nice, Charla. Nice, nice. You shall not go up yet. What do we move here? Enjoy this, gang. Enjoy missing 23 pips because it didn't give you what you wanted. Enjoy it. You guys are bosses, man. You guys don't settle for less than. I like that about you guys. That's what I like about you guys. Hey, it's only 20. Hey, well, here, make your screen a little smaller. Look at that. You didn't miss out on anything, man. Look at this whole move coming up. Don't worry about it, chat. Don't worry. Patience. Patience. I like you guys, though. I like you guys. What would be my partials? Right here at 65. That's where I was shooting for. 65 there. You got a clean move up. Clean move up here. No FOMO, gang. You guys got FOMO? Who got FOMO? Be honest. You're waiting for a bottom wick, but now you got FOMO. Who got it? I got FOMO. Let's go. Someone admits it. Cool. Yeah, there's no FOMO. Like if this candle threw a bottom wick for us, I'd be punching the air right now. Right? But because this didn't line up, it's all good. We wait for the next move. We wait for the next wave. How many of you guys surf out here? Any of you guys surfers? Just wait for the next wave. Simple. What is up, brother? What up, Jesse James? Do you have live sessions after 3 p.m.? Yes. Yup. What up, TK? TK's in the house. TK, we missed the bus, bro. It left the station, but it didn't open the door for us. So, you know, we weren't going to just jump on it. Like the last couple times I jumped on the bus when they didn't open the door, I fell off, rolled underneath, and the bus just destroyed me. Yeah, man. Yeah, so now we just wait for the next bus, and if that bus opens the door, we take that one to where we need to go. All right, we ain't trying to chase the bus here, man. How did you manage the time when there was a need for money and to be profitable and you weren't at that level just yet? How did you manage that time? I managed it by pretending that I didn't need money. At some point after like trying to force it over and over, like I needed money, but I was like, you know what? I got money. I'm good. I'm good. Let me just trade to trade. And like I kind of tell you guys, I moved the money out of the equation. So I just try to treat it like a video game, like a level on a game. You know, that's it. Just try and get rid of the money as best you can. We all know we're here to make money, right? Can we all agree upon that? We want to make a lot of money. We want to be, you know, very, very successful and whatnot. But okay, now we all know that. So now let's forget about the money and let's just play the game. Right? Let's play the game. The better we are at the game, the more money we'll make. Okay? And then that was kind of like my mindset, you know, around everything. TK, how we feeling today? I took 0 trades this week because of the volatile moves during news. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Chilling, bro. Chilling. Jesus is king. That's correct. Jump on the bumper. The other thing, you dragging you all around, ruining your sneakers. Do I trade ICT strategies? I'm not too sure. I think I do. We just don't. I don't know. Yeah, maybe ask the chat. I don't know. Do I, chat? Yeah, I mean, all I've really done was copy everything Raja did, and that's it. and then like and Raja and Don, and then I just literally made my own little thing out of it. I can't take credit for any of this stuff. I just copied people who were doing better than I was at trading. Like, I like what God of Trade said, like, not because he said it about me, but like, that's what I did. I thought what Raja thought on the market, in the markets. I thought what he thought. I acted how he acted. When he moved, I moved, right? When he stayed, I stayed. So, you know, there comes a time where you'll break out of that season to do your own studies and, you know, get your feet wet. But there is a season where when he moved, I moved. And that's how I really got stickability when it comes to like this strategy, just focused. I think I might have made mine a little bit more. I think Raja is a little bit more aggressive, but he also has like 5 or 6 years extra in the market than I do, right? So maybe in 5 or 6 years I'll be, you know, just as aggressive as him. But for the most part, we pretty much line up in most of our ways of thinking about the charts. ICT is a good trader. Yeah, I'm sure he is. Yeah, I've never really looked into any of it, but I've heard a lot of good things. Yeah, the one thing's undeniable. He's clearly built a really great community, you know, and that's pretty awesome. So he's clearly doing something right. I think once a lot of people get a hold of it, they distort it a bit anyway. So once you get, you know, hundreds or thousands and thousands of people saying this is the way to do it, this is the way to do it, it obviously becomes watered down a bit, right? So like, it's like the phone, that game we were talking about yesterday. What was it called? Telephone, right? You tell one guy something and then you pass the message along and you go like 20 people and it's like a completely different message at that point. So yeah, you just gotta be careful with stuff like that. Where's Nick? He's not here today. I'm gonna be replacing him. I'm the substitute teacher here today. Should I take another trade and take a payout? I'm currently up 1%. That's up to you, man. That's up to you. I was up about 5 G's on my top 1 account, and I was gearing up for a payout in like, it was like probably like 2 weeks, and I made a decision. I was up 5 grand. I remember I was talking to John. I was like, you know, I'm probably just gonna go big, right? I'm probably just gonna go big. So instead of like cutting it there and taking my payout, I just went super heavy on some trades. I got it a little up, but then took a loss, went back to break even. So yeah, but so that's up to you. So you gotta, but I understood the risk, right? So I understood I'm gonna risk this payout here for, you know, a massive payout. So that's on you. You know, you gotta do what best suits you at the time. This is the AI version. The AI version would probably be able to read every single comment. Boom, 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 boom. With there being no bottom wick, what would you expect to wait for now? I think now we just kind of need to see a little pullback, some sort of a support formed here, and then we can target that wick fill now. So that's going to be our new target. So why am I drawing with a pencil when I have these perfectly shaped things, right? So if we get a closure here above, then I think we could target that wick fill. Yeah. Yep. And we'll probably get this around the same entry we got, or we could have got over here, right? We'll probably just get it again. Yeah, so let me just draw it so you can see what I mean. So you get like 15-minute time frame, right, to kind of close back down, maybe like this. Next candle, and then all we need is a new support above here now. If we can get a new support above, if the 15 wants to come down like this, right, and then give us a support, that's fine, but we'll see. We need a little bit of a new support, I think, though. We've been moving up for a bit now. But what's really good is that I think we pushed through, right? Yeah, so we pushed through, and yeah, okay, cool. So we pushing through this area on the 4 hour, which is nice. So this 4 hour can continue running up. So we potentially have this big move to correct here today. Yeah. So we got NY open. So if we can get something like this, that'd be best, right? So right now it's 7:45 a.m., right? So if this candle can kind of do something like this, we got 7:45, and then we've got the NY open, right? That gives us something like this. Then we can look to either grab a pack, not a pack runner, a fade, or we wait for a support, and then come 8:30, we go ahead and take our buys, right, to fill that wick to the left-hand side that was created there. So that's an option as well. But we'll see. If we keep running up, that's fine with no bottom wicks. There's nothing we could do about that. You know, we just have to observe that and watch it. And again, who are we, right? The market doesn't owe us anything. Zero, right? The market doesn't, just because we're here, the market doesn't have to give us time to eat. Streaming now. It's let's make sure we give them bottom wicks, right? If anything, they might be watching us like, all right, they're streaming. Let's give them no bottom wicks here now. So yeah, so we just gotta wait here. Nice support form though. If this can push back down, close bear, and then the next candle, and then we can kind of create support here at 59 again, would be awesome. Time to eat here, man. If you guys are already in, then W, right? Just hang on to this. Hang on, put your stops back in the range, and just enjoy the ride. Yeah, I had a buy stop over here a little earlier, but I deleted it once we started driving down like this. And then I wanted to take this buy here, but no bottom wick. So just gotta wait, man. It's the game. Sometimes it's not gonna work out. Right? It's all about nothing wrong as a trader. You should have multiple ideas a day, right? You should come up with these ideas and scratch them out, and you know, come up with these ideas and they don't work, and it's cool, right? It's okay. It's okay that price doesn't give you exactly what you want to get into a trade. They don't want to give us a bottom wick, man. Gotta wait. Yeah, it was an awesome breakout. I mean, that was the read, right? If we close above there, you'll get your push. It was an awesome breakout. That is undeniable. So what questions you guys got for me here today? Can we impact some people here today with your questions? I'm sure if you have a question, I'm sure someone else here has that same exact question. Let's see what we can cover here. Do we have anything in charts for stream while we wait? Yes, I believe we do. A brief explanation about what you know about candles with no wicks. Yeah, so 85 to 90% of candles have both a top wick and a bottom wick, right? So when a candle doesn't have that, what does that mean? That means that there's an 85-90% chance that it will at some point come down to create it, right? So when it's leaving you, when it's leaving, and you're like thinking about getting into a buy here, like, oh man, this thing's going, there's about an 85% chance this will come down. Right? Not 100%, as you can see, but there's a very high chance that at any point, it could be here, it could be here, it could be here, it could be here. At any point, this candle can start to come down. We've watched that happen hundreds of times at this point on the live stream, so it's very easy to stay away after you have enough chart time and understand that concept there. Where's John? I'm sure John will be here at his regular scheduled time. I think he comes around like NY open, right? In the celery, we don't need a bottom wick. Nope. That's the only setup I don't need a bottom wick for, is that celery play. Bands counted up. What up? Why don't I use Fibonacci? No reason. I pretty much can tell where a Fibonacci is now just by using my eyes. And all that is a new support. So like this is probably a Fibonacci level right here. Let's see. This is probably like a 50% level right here. Or no, it's 38.2. So yeah, so I kind of see Fibonacci's just with my eyes. I already know what I'm looking for in a bullish trend. I'm just looking for like a support or breakout or something like that. So I used to use them, but the fibs be fibbing sometimes. How do I bring my confidence back? You start small, and you do things off the charts as well that will build your confidence and boost your confidence. Like little things. Hey, I'm gonna do 50 push-ups a day, and you do them, right? Or I'm gonna make my bed every morning, and you do it. Or I'm gonna call my grandma every day to tell her I love her, and you do it. You know what I mean? You earn that confidence through these little things, and then they come into the big things, right? And then all of a sudden you're more confident on the charts because you now say, hey, I'm gonna wait for a breakout here in a bottom wick, and if I don't get it, I'm not taking a trade. And you don't jump the gun here, and you just wait. And then you gain confidence by basically keeping promises to yourself. There's a good book called The 4 Agreements. It talks about being impeccable with your word, having integrity, doing things when no one's watching that are going to benefit your future, right? So there's a lot of things that you can do. Like you can say, oh, I can look at my cell phone right now and doom scroll like a zombie on whatever platform you guys do it on, or I can study the webinar, or I can study some successful guy doing or girl doing what I want to do, right? So there's little things that you have to really hold yourself accountable to as an entrepreneur that you have to do when no one's watching, right? It'd be very easy to just go to sleep, but you know, I read, right? Or there was for many years, like I could have went to bed, no one would have known, my mentor wouldn't have known. I could have told him the next day, yeah, I read, but I read it anyway because I knew, right? But God knew, right? So that I think will boost your confidence, because now you know that no matter what, any given situation, once you say you're going to do something, you do it. Nothing breeds confidence like that. How many siblings do I have? I have what do I have? I have 4 other siblings. Yeah, John, Joe, and then I have 2 other siblings that they're like my half brother and sister. They're my dad's kids, so they're older. They're a little bit older than us. Any tips on maintaining a fully funded account? Yeah, just make sure your risk is in place and just show up every day and look for the next best trading setup. That's it. Which is more important, technicals or fundamentals? I guess it depends on who you ask. I think technical. I think they go hand in hand for the most part. But if you ask me, I would say technicals, because I don't really dive into fundamentals too much. But if you ask the fundamental guy, he's going to tell you fundamentals. You know, so I don't think there's a right or wrong answer. I think some people are into fundamentals and they're into like that stuff. And they probably rely on fundamentals heavily, right? And then some others are more so into technicals, so they're going to tell you that. So I don't think there's a right or wrong answer. How can I measure times the volume come into the market? What would be respectable volume move? Like what times? I would just pay attention to the session opens. So anytime you have a pre-session open or the session itself, that's when volume's coming in. The best way to learn about volume on your pair is to go back test the biggest candles. So look at the charts and look at candles like this, right? Look at candles like this. And then go ahead and see, when do those typically tend to happen? They happen all the time, right? Look at 8 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., right? We know that those are going to be the bigger candles of most sessions, right? So once you begin to study this, you'll understand, hey, pretty much around the same time every day is where you get those bigger moves, right? So I think there's an indicator where you can track session times or something. So just highlight your session and then go back and look, say what time do the biggest candles show up? And then that's the time you know where the volume's typically running in. Would I have taken the onion? No, the only trade I would have taken is this 30 breakout. I really wanted. I had everything set up for that, but we didn't get a bottom wick. Yeah. EYES. You shall make support at previous resistance. What do we got here? This is about a 40 pip move, I believe. Yeah, 30 pips. That's all right. Later on, we can get 30 pips in like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Thanks for the advice. Yeah, my pleasure, man. My pleasure. Don't try, brother. Just do it. Just do it. Just think about this. We're all gonna die one day. Who cares, right? Who cares what everyone thinks? And, you know, this is going to hold me back and I'm shy, I'm timid, man. Bro, we're going back into the dirt, man. None of this matters. I reposted something and I think it's suitable, right? Because we just care too much about the world, right? One day you're going to die and you're going to wish you spoke your mind and lived an authentic life. You won't care about what people thought about you. You won't care about your little failures. You won't care about looking silly. You'll wonder what impact you left on this world. Who cares what people think, right? You want to be so confident. Gang, with God, all things are possible, right? When you walk with the Lord, when you walk with God, all things are possible. Can you believe it is the question, right? Can you believe it? Gain your confidence back. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I often trade, which makes total sense to me at the moment, but it's a crappy trade that doesn't align with my playbook setup. When I look back, how could I stop this? I would say hire a mentor. Spend a session with them, show them your trades, get some feedback, and then, you know, make whatever adjustments that they're looking to, that they're telling you to make. The limitless. Hey, Dan, what were we saying about limitless again? What were we saying? I remember it was clever. Yeah, man, exactly. J4 trades. To dirt, from dirt, back to dirt. Anyone else got broken audio? Nah, I think we're good. What up, Zoomers? How we feeling today? Yeah, good. Okay, cool. When you realize the attitude. Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah. Yeah, that is true. Yeah, once you lock that in, once you get that attitude that trading is a business, it's like taking the limitless pill. Do you stream on Twitch? I don't, but maybe I should. Maybe I will. How often do we draw lines? As often as we have to. So let's say all of a sudden price spends some time and just starts ranging here, right? Then I'll move those lines, right? And I'll start looking at it here, and now I'll look at this as a good trading range here. Yeah, so if we start ranging up here, that's when I'll adjust those areas. What up, White Shark? Morning, everyone. All right, so 30 closure, man. This is you make her like you literally may retrace this whole move here today. We got a 30 closure. I really wanted to see this 15, you know, close bearish, but that did not happen here. So yeah, just gotta wait. Just got to wait. Let's say we don't travel back down towards 59 here, and we just kind of do something like this, right? And then we close back above. I think this is good to go. Yeah, you may not get a solid pullback here. But everything kind of leaving with no wicks here right now, so nothing we can do. What up, Green? How do you draw the lines? You just use these type of tools right here. I use the horizontal ray, I use the horizontal line, the rectangle, long, short, and the call out. Hey, what a trade yesterday, right? This was the only bullish candle. The only bullish candle of the day, and that's where we took our buys. We had a money read on this. Money read straight to 59, right? Money. Yeah, shout out to everyone that actually understood that trade, right? And if you didn't, just keep watching. You have to see this fade happen quite a few times to really wrap your head around it. But for those of you who actually understood that, like I did, W, man, W. You're catching on, and you're gonna open yourself up for a lot more opportunity in the markets. Yeah, we're gonna see what happens with the 4 hour here. We're pushing up right now. We're trying to push through this zone here, so it looks like we're doing pretty good. But we'll see. We got an hour left on this candle. We got news coming into here in a little bit. Green, how we feeling today? See Melly in the house. What up, see Melly? How you doing? Good morning, Futures Frank. How you doing, sir? Price action been a little funky this morning. I was waiting for news before. Yeah, who knows? We just kind of pushing up here now. My mic's too loud? Damn, some days my mic's too loud. Some days it's too low. I guess just maybe lower the music. Yo, what up, Travis? What's up, laddie? Top of the morning, lad. Let's go. It's good to see Travis here at Zoom. W. Elites are just stacking right now. The elite are bringing the heat. Cheeky to ask what NAS analysis looks a lot. Yeah, let's take a look at the NASDAQ. Yeah, let's do a quick little analysis here on NASDAQ. So it looks like the daily's been bullish for quite some time here. Looks like we're running out of steam. Candle closing with no wicks here and just kind of dying out a little bit. Looks like the 4 hour closed bear. So this is pretty much your range now on the 4 hour chart, right? You got a resistance here, you got support here, and that's basically the range that we're in. If we go to the 1 hour chart, we notice that there's a pretty strong support level here as well. You've got a lot of choppiness on the way up on the 1 hour time frame. Just, yeah, pretty choppy here. So let's take a look at the 30 minute, same thing. Yeah, I would say, what do we, we're bearish here on the 4 hour, right? So yeah, these actually don't look too bad. If you get, if you can get, yeah, you know, those buys are really tough. Let's see, what's the range looking like? 20 pips. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. Rebreak of the 4-hour highs. Daily's bullish. Yeah, I'd wait for a closure back above the range here, maybe on the 30-minute time frame, and then possible buys here. Yeah, you got a nice clean candle coming down too. So if you do create support here, then that'll give you a support. That'll give you a little range, and yeah. Very choppy on the way up though. Do I trade Bitcoin? I don't trade Bitcoin, no. How much percentage risk we take in trade? We, or you, or me? We, me, or you? Me or you? There, I don't think there's a we. Josh is suing. Oh man, who we suing, Josh? Suing. Oh snap. How we feeling today, Josh? Good to see you, man. FX limits. Praise God, man. Me and Alea be praying for the birds, man, and all of a sudden they give us a show. I said, watch this, Layla. They're gonna give us a whole show right now. These birds, they start coming down. They start diving into the water. They were flying right above us. Almost looked fake. It was insane. Insane. We be preaching to the birds. I'm really excited to speak on more entrepreneur topics in those weekly webinars. Yeah, they're coming. They're coming. Yeah, for those of you guys that are going to lock in with us in the clubhouse, we're going to talk about other opportunities here. I really want to create some sort of a networking buzz as well. And I'm shaking the right hands too, by the way, chat. I'm out here networking. Like, I'm out here working and building relationships with people right now that is going to take TTE to new levels. New levels. They're not going to take TT, but they could be some help. Yeah, the networking is going to be insane. Wait till we start talking. We'll be talking about different opportunities, a lot of different stuff. Feels like a bad win, but the buy is winning. All right, Clink, let's get it. Take it. The TT Clubhouse. What do you guys think about the Clubhouse? The fort, the clubhouse. Pull up to the clubhouse. It's got a little ring to it. Yeah, we networking, man. We are networking. Like, I've always been big into networking. Always. Super valuable. Oh, Wix uses the clubhouse? Oh, we might not be able to use that then. I don't want to be a biter. Dang, TK, dang. Yeah, we're just pushing up here. No bottom wicks, just running. The gulag. The bunker. Ooh. The bunker. Yo, what's up, Edson? What's up, Lincoln? Nice name, man. Lincoln. I was thinking, man, if I have another son, maybe I'll name him Lincoln. The zone. Ooh. The zone. Who's in the zone? The salon? Damn. What should we call it, chat? We need a group of minds to come together for this. Raja caught the buys. I bet he took it with no bottom wick. He probably just took it on the open of the candle, which was probably pretty smart. I don't like doing that though. Like I said, Raja has been in the game probably like 6, 7 years longer than me. He's a little bit more aggressive than me as well. And like I said, maybe in 6 years I'll be that aggressive as well. Lights fire, how you doing? What's good? Mr. Slay's in the house. The Inner Circle. Yeah, the Inner Circle was kind of the original name. We might have to swing right back to it. The kitchen. Time to eat. Who's coming to the kitchen? The kitchen, man. Who's pulling up to the kitchen? Yeah, hey, we're gonna have the closing bell and all that. Like, it's gonna be pretty sick. Yes. Have you guys seen? Who's ever seen Top Step TV? Nail salon. Yeah, this is sick. Look at this. This was going for 7 hours, but ours is gonna go for like 20 hours.
My full-time job is being a dad because I make over $300,000.
Oh, nice, bro. Yeah, man. Like, these guys stream for like hours, hours and hours and hours. Wait, how do you get? Oh, not these guys. Yeah, let's do it this way. Yeah, so these guys are out here streaming pretty much all of New York, all the afternoon session, all through Power Hour. See how they have like a couple different people up there? That's what we're gonna have as well. So it's not just gonna be me. You're gonna hear from other traders that I've trained up and taught, you know, as well. And yeah, we're just gonna hang out. We're gonna do all of Asian session, all of London session, all of New York session, all the way to the closing bell. Yeah, I think these guys have the closing bell too. Yeah, you see, 15 minutes for closing bell. Sick.
Who said yeah?
Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Yeah, there it is. Ding, ding, ding. So market close and we're out.
Love it. To catch everybody edge.
Great to have Hogue back full strength today.
Ding, ding,
Watch
ding.
this close here. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Thank you, everybody. Shout out to all the bellers. Hogue got a new
We'll have the
t-shirt
closing
today.
bell.
Hogue got a new Grateful Dead t-shirt today. Loving that shit. Let's go. Go to my man Eddie. Eddie.
Yeah, man, it's about to be on like Donkey Kong. Just think about that, only TTE style. Yeah. TT Temple. Oh. Trader TV Live. Oh, I watched one called, oh, nice. TT Underground. Yeah. Yeah, so like that way, like yesterday, like I took this trade in Asian, we could have taken that trade together. You know, I could have popped on there and been like, yo, like even if I'm not in there, like once I'm looking at trades, this was the trade I took last night. Actually took it was a fade, so took it on this candle here. And as price was failing to break that high, took it right there, and yeah, got a pretty good move out of that. So that's one of the advanced entries we're looking at. So I talk about this a lot with the elites right now. Not really bringing that teaching so public yet because it's still being worked on, but yeah. And that's the other thing too. So not only are we gonna have like 24-hour live streams, we're gonna have like 2 webinars a week. Where we're going over different like newly developed concepts and stuff that I'm learning and growing with, and you know, all that. TT Kitchen, where the elites be cooking. Yo, holy. Yeah, the webinars are gonna be sick though. Those are gonna be surrounded around like trading, personal growth and development, networking, different business opportunities, entrepreneurship, leadership, all stuff like that. All stuff like that. A lot of the webinars are probably gonna also be able to just really impact you off the desk just as much as on the desk. The TT barbecue. Hey yo. We serving them. We serving them. How much for the club? I don't know. How much would you pay? How much would you pay in US dollars for something of that nature? What do you think? Invaluable. The high roller room. $30-minute breakout used, but what about the support? How do you know which one to go for? Yeah, so I would have went for the breakout just because we had kind of like rejected that zone and started closing bearish here. I was very bullish. Like I just didn't want to take the onion here. I wanted to wait for the actual breakout. But then when I got the breakout, there was no bottom wick. So yeah. Yeah. 50? 50 what? 50 G's? 50 What up, grind time? What up, grind time? The lounge. How about that? The VIP lounge. The lounge. Oh, Johnny Gems is in the house. What's good, Johnny Gems? Don Vo concept? No, it's my concept. It's mine. Yeah,
What's poppin'?
you guys are funny with the influencers and the streamers and stuff. Like, yo, no concept is anyone's concept. It's just that's just what market does. It's my concept, man. What up, Johnny Gems? How you feeling today, bro?
What's good, bro? I'm feeling good.
Yeah, you doing good?
Popping bottles in the club. The
Poppin'.
TT club, let's get it.
Hey, 1 year from now, we pop bottles, champagne bottles on the yacht, chat. Remember this day.
It's already remembered. What's goody, my man?
What's happening? How you feeling?
Feeling great, bro. How you feeling?
Awesome. Doing great. We got 820 coming in here, too. There may be some sort of a fade position actually coming up. 820 coming in about 2 minutes. Yeah, I think I like this. Yeah, I wanted this buy here earlier, but no bueno.
No bottom wick. Yeah.
Yeah.
That was clean. Got the move and everything, just no bottom wick.
Yup. Yeah, we're moving up
goody.
now towards this target, so
Yo, chat, what's goody? How's everyone doing?
how you doing? How you doing? Yeah, we got 820 pushing up in here. 815, 2025. Yes, let's do it. So we got two options here. We got news coming in, right? So that news can, we can come down here for 820 and then continue pumping. So the fade here is gonna be a bit risky if you guys are thinking about taking it. I'm considering it. There's 10 minutes left in this candle. I want to see how 820 comes out because I don't want us, to make a bottom wick and then run back up here for 820. So I think I'm gonna wait on this closure.
Yeah. Looks like we're pushing heavily bullish.
Yeah.
4 hour and daily. Daily's bear though, so.
Yeah, the daily is bearish. That's the thing here. But
I know, so sells are doable.
yeah. Yeah, we got news coming in here too. Yeah, so if we actually come back up, I may get in this if we re-break the low. But I want to see if 820 is going to pump down to create a top wick here, and then move back up. Yeah, this looks pretty good. I'm gonna have a sell stop here. Sell stop on the break of the low here. If we re-break that low, this should start coming down. Am I in? Yeah, I think I'm in. All right, cool. I'm in. So if we break this low, we should continue down here. Yeah, we have news in 9 minutes too. 9 minutes, so it's okay if you guys stay out of this one. Totally fine. We got news coming down. If we keep re-breaking that low, you should see a push down here. Been holding since 55. Nice. Nice, nice. What up, Jaguar?
Hey, what's good, Jaguar? Yeah, facts. Energy, no quaking, no FOMO.
Nah, nothing.
Nah, Scott, you know the answer to that question, brother. Stay disciplined. Stay disciplined to your rules. That's what matters most here.
Yep.
Good morning, Scott. Good morning, Energy.
What an amateur trade? Yeah, I'm an amateur trader, bro. What do you expect? I've only been trading 5 years.
What do you think? He's an expert? Morning, Wags.
Yeah, news. Yeah, we got news coming. So we got news. So this could easily get stops get hit, right? So just know that when you're putting your risk on, and yeah, if you haven't gotten in yet, then put a sell stop if you want. You know, other than that, just let it rock. Let news come out and let news do its thing. John, give me advice. I took L in London. You got some advice, John?
Yes, I do. Energy, it's all good. It's a probabilities game. You know, we're going to have losses and stuff. My advice is just keep executing your system, your edge, and you'll get it right back, right? Because we're the casino. No worries.
No worries, man.
Hopefully that helps. Energy, was it a good trade? If it was a good loss, there's nothing to worry about. Just got to continue to take good trades.
That's all we could do. Show up and look for the next best setup.
Yep. And if it was a you can grow from it. That's all we can do.
That's true. That's true.
Pretty true.
Yeah, I think the answer to everything is just show up and look for the next best trade. Whether you won a trade, lost a trade. Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's it. Because I would like overthink it, overcomplicate it myself, and I'm like, bro, keep it simple, bro. KISS, right? Keep it simple, stupid.
Yep. Yep.
So, yeah, man. Take a loss. What's my mindset? All right, on to the next trade. Take a win. What's my mindset? All right, on to the next trade.
Yeah.
And that's really helped me stay steady. So, Nick as well.
Yep. Yeah, let me be the guinea pig. Remember, the fade is still something even I'm sample sizing, right? So let me be the guinea pig. You guys just sit back, relax, and collect data with me without any risk. Simple game. Take the breakouts, take the onions, take the celeries, but if you don't get the fade, then just sit back and let me be the guinea pig. Right? I've already collected some data on it. I know that this has a high probability of working, but it could also not work, and I accept that, you know, before I put the trade on.
Yep. Yeah, word energy. Hey, that sounds like a pretty good trade to me. I mean, it's just now that you've seen it, you could be aware of it next time it happens again with the 30-minute and 15. But hey, man, you can't expect like everything to be perfect for a trade. You know, you need certain things to align, and then you need to execute, right? Because there is no certainty anyways. So there's no guaranteed. You just got to execute on edge, on high probability plays.
Yeah. What's happening on the NASDAQ? The NASDAQ, I don't know. I don't know. Gold is pumping here, though. Will we hit stops? We might hit stops on this fade. Jay Stu got the big he's got the big trade energy.
Yo, let's get on Andreas. Pop.
Nice, yeah, honing it in, risk management, cutting losses shorter, really happy about it. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, we look like we might keep pumping here. Yeah, I think my stops are like a little higher.
Yeah, Elisa, risk management is key, man. That's really gonna help you out tremendously.
4 minutes for news. Yeah, they're pricing news in here. Where are my stops? Oh, there they go. Yeah, they just got hit there. Yeah, so my stops got hit. I thought my stops were lower. Yeah, my stops were up here. 54 pips, so all good. Pre-news, guinea pig time.
Yep.
Where do you learn the basics of futures trading? What do you mean? Like the basics of trading itself? I would go to like babypips.com. Yeah, babypips.com. Learn the beginner stages, and then kind of tune into the live stream. You know, I think the live stream is going to help a lot of new traders as they come into the game. So I would say study baby pips and then study the live stream. What time was that? That was 8:20ish.
Yeah, no problem, Energy. Hopefully that can help.
So energy. So I took a loss here, right? So what am I gonna do now? So I'm gonna sit tight, and now I'm just gonna wait for news to come out and then look for the next best trade. That's all I'm gonna do. Buy, fade.
Facts. Was just gonna ask you, how do you feel, bro? Do you feel like a loser?
I feel like I executed on a play that I've been sample sizing and have really good data on, and now I just collected more data. And now that little data goes into the losing column compared to the winning one, and it just stacks up for me. So at the end of 100 trades, I can now see what are the numbers, right? What are the numbers? When do they work? When do they not work? It's another trade I could look into for my 2-week evaluation. It's just another trade. It won't make me nor break me. 15-minute time frame, half, and that was like 50.
Great words.
No one trade should make you or break you.
Yep.
You're gonna lose trades.
Yep.
All right, cool.
And you also understand you'll just make that back on the next trade, right? Or the next series of trades. All good.
Yeah.
All goody.
Yep. Pretty much. We're like the casino. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
We'll get it back. All right, cool. So now we got news coming out here in 1 minute. 1 minute. If we, wow, 2 pips. 2 pips.
What, you got stopped by 2 pips?
Yeah. Well, let's see.
Okay.
If we drive down now, I'm gonna be sick. If we drive up,
Be
I'm
sick
like,
to your stomach.
All right. Perfect. So you see where that trade goes? It just goes into the win and loss column, right? So now it's just for the year 146 wins and 37 losses. It's not a big deal.
It's all good. It's just a wrong guess.
Oh wow.
Really,
here we go. Let's see here.
Scott, did you stay disciplined to your rules, my man? Or did you get in? Did you get in with Nick?
Oh yeah, here it comes. Yeah, we might start pumping here now. Yeah, that probably would have been partials. So what did it hit me by? 4 or 5 pips. 4 or 5. It's part of the game. Notice how the last couple, notice how almost all my trades we get hit by like 4 or 5 pips, and then it just doink.
Yeah, bro. All good.
Yeah, that's how it goes sometimes.
Yes, sir. You remember that one week? Look, I got stopped by 1 pip, hit TP, then I missed the TP by 1 pip and got stopped. So
What am I gonna sit here and cry about it? That would be amateur. Now that would be amateur.
that'd be soft.
Yeah, so now we just wait. Let's go ahead and see how unemployment claims came out and all that here. Retail sales, green numbers. Okay, green numbers. Unemployment claims, green numbers. So yeah, that should push gold down here.
Hey, lights fire. That's great, bro. A lot of progress being made.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so this is where I wanted to secure some partials right here. Hero of the day is in the house. Yo. What's good? What's good? Yeah, where did that run to? How could I have placed a better stop loss there? I don't know. Yeah, I don't see how I could have had a better stop there. Maybe this wick. Yeah, that wick would have did it. Yep. The dinosaur pad I'm sort of Yeah. I think maybe that wick over there. So maybe next time I jot that down mentally, right? And then I go, okay, maybe next time if I see that, I use that. So that's how you get better. You know, that's how you get better. One trade at a time.
Yeah, man. Facts.
Where's the guy saying it was an amateur trade, by the way, as price hits full target? You're an amateur.
Oh yeah.
You're false liquidity to the left. What up, George VDM? I don't think I've seen you yet, man. What's good? What's good? What's good?
What's up, George?
He vanished. Poof. And he's gone. Poof. Napoleon. Hey, I like that name. Napoleon.
Oh, you know.
Yeah, so gold should so the daily's starting to move back down now, right? So that was your top wick on your daily. So we were looking to basically try and snipe that top wick based off of the fade there, but little too early, and now it looks like we are starting to head south. So the 4 hour is starting to really push back down as well here. So you're getting a real strong push back down. This zone here, right? We really want to continue to pay attention to that area at 60 because that's where this 4 hour candle may cap off, right? And then the next one start driving down here. Homer Simpson. The Homer Simpson meme. Napoleon Dynamite. Wow. I haven't heard of that movie in forever.
I've never heard of that.
Thank you, bro. TP got hit. You're welcome. I'm so happy for you. You never heard of Napoleon Dynamite? Damn.
Huh?
Damn. Yeah, that movie came out when I was in high school. 2006, 2007. What's up, Paul? How you doing, bro? GJ blasted off. Nice. Very happy for GJ as well. John gotta watch that, yeah.
Yeah, man. You said 2006 they came out?
Yeah, something like that. 2000.
Yeah, I don't know why you guys never showed me it. Damn. Got Andrew. Yeah, chat. I'm sorry for not watching that.
Yeah, this
My
trade
mistake.
made perfect sense here, man. It came down and literally it made a low and then broke it again, and that was the entry, right? And then just picked up from there. Did what I didn't want it to do, but I waited for it to make the low and then go back up, and then it re-broke the low. So from there, that's the entry. But yeah, it decided to pop up again. Thank you, Mrs. Lippy. Thank you, Mrs. Lippy. What about that other movie? He was kind of like what's his name? Napoleon Hill. I'm not Napoleon Hill. Napoleon Dynamite. Vote for Pedro.
I was gonna say Bob Proctor. Kidding. Just kidding.
Just joking.
Yo, what's good, Purpose? I'm slacking, bro. I'm only at 50.
Super bad. Yeah, there was another one. I forgot. He was a funny guy like Napoleon Dynamite.
Gotta look that up. Hold on.
It's like Kazakhstan, I forget. He had black hair. Remember they were talking about like, yo, I'm
the
Borat.
Benchwarmers.
Yeah, Borat. Yo, that one was funny. But they were talking. He's like, yeah, man, I've been talking to this girl on online. It's really getting serious now. That doesn't sound funny anymore, like it did back in like 2007.
Sounds pretty normal now.
Now it sounds just normal. Yeah. What a move.
Yeah, all I get. It's all good.
Oh my god. What are we gonna do?
We also got the 8:30 news helping it out tremendously.
King of the Castle? I don't think I've ever seen that one. Jay and Silent Bob. Hey, you know what show I was watching yesterday? Or not yesterday, like 2 days ago? Rocket Power. Any of you guys remember Rocket Power? Play the crying noise. Yo, I'm crying. I'm quaking right now. Yo, chat, I'm quaking.
Bro, we need a revenge trade.
Rocket Power.
We need to get that back.
Bro, Rocket Power was lit. Yeah, let's do it, John. Should we just pop a sell here real quick?
Bro.
How you doing? Nobody knows
F it.
nothing.
Full margin it.
Yo, Rocket Power was lit.
That's
Okay, yeah. Just to feel better. All right, chat, I'm taking profits right here. Full position. Yeah, great trade. Yeah. W's in the chat. Awesome. Yeah. We're so awesome. Oh, man. Yo, Rocket Power was
Did you get
lit.
that on anything else? Other account?
Nah. I just took it on this one.
Okay.
There you go. You're making me
Damn,
feel
man,
better
said
now.
I'm in.
Yeah, no, Otto, Reggie, the dude Squid, and I forgot the girl's name from Rocket Power. Yeah. Yeah, the first episode. I remember the first episode when Squid moved in next door. Yeah, they got that on I think Paramount or something.
Rocket Power, that sounds so.
Buy gold. Wow. Wasn't Rockin' Power on Cartoon Network? I don't think so. It was on Nickelodeon.
Yeah, Nickelodeon. Yep.
Oh my God, the show Recess. Word.
Nick, Mag, that you know that.
Huh?
That's pretty good. That's cool that you know that it was on Nickelodeon.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. It was
99 Rocket Power came out.
Oh, the girl was Reggie? Oh, no way. I thought that was the other kid's name. Where I think gold's going to now? I don't know. I thought gold was gonna head back down towards support. You know, so that's what it did. So anything further than this now is, yeah, we may head towards this next support level here. Twister, there it is. Twister.
Oh no. Nice.
I held the trade. Nice, man. Congrats. Good trade. Yeah, it was a good trade. It was a good read. We're just a little early, and I already know that about the fades, right? That's something we know we're gonna be early on from time to time. But as long as we were right on the direction, you know, I think we're all good. We're all good. I'm mainly concerned on my read on the market day in and day out, not the P&L, so to speak.
Wise man.
Yeah, another good read. Another real good read. Yesterday we had a great read as well. Notice how that was the only bullish candle of the day that we took here. So and it went straight to where we wanted it to. Took like I think two 15-minute candles, one 30-minute candle, and it tapped. Twister, man. Yeah, that's right. What up, Sandman? We got a blader.
Hey,
Man down.
Morning,
We
Sandman.
got a blader, y'all. Bring Uncle Scalp back.
Later. Yeah, this is a bleeder, that's for sure.
Yeah, so that's probably what happened here. So
Yeah,
we're
man,
probably
so-
tapping into support right here. So let's do a fresh top-down analysis, and let's see how this 4-hour. So we were looking at this 4-hour pullback, right? So we may end up closing bearish now, and if we do close bearish, then that means that we have a new level of 4-hour resistance, right? So that means we respected this overall zone here, we rejected it, and now we're going to close bearish to form some sort of a resistance. So could this have been the daily top wick? Right, this move up, could this have been the daily top wick for price to now close bearish on the 4-hour and start to make its way down, right? So let's keep in mind daily's at resistance. We closed bearish yesterday. Your top wick is this is your 4-hour move up, and now we're starting to drive back down. And if we break the lows here, this would be a typical, like if this was a 30-minute time frame, I would say, hey, let's have a sell stop here, right? Let's have a sell stop here. You know, stops kept up here. So if we break these lows on the daily, you're most likely going to start pushing down here. So how do we anticipate that happening, right? Because there's room to trade here. So looking at the 4-hour now, you have this nice potential resistance. All right, we still got 15 minutes on this candle, so we can't jump to conclusion yet. But and by the way, we respected the lows here too. But if we do close bear, then this is probably going to set up the daily to start moving down, right? So we're going to basically sit tight. We'll wait for a new top wick on the 4 hour, and then you've got this whole move down. And by the time we tap back into this support level, that's your daily candle flipping bearish, right, to break its own low. So if you do break through these lows here, you should get a very aggressive push coming down towards like 24 now. So that's what we're gonna wait on. We gotta really see how this 4 hour candle closes, and then we could pretty much start running from there again. So I like this support level here on the 1 hour chart. So I'm gonna probably look for some closures below that level, and then we should be pretty good at that point. 4 hours pretty bearish, 1 hour is bearish, daily is, you know, pushing back down as well, and yeah, that looks pretty good. So all that happens in 14 minutes, so we got to wait on that to happen, but the big closure is coming up here, and that's going to be on the 4 hour time frame.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we'll just hang tight. We have some new ranges now. Actually, I think we're right back in our older range, yeah, from earlier. So let me grab this. So pretty important zones here, right? So you got this zone up here as well, where if you remain above 60, then I think the buys are still going to be in play. But news came out, good for the dollar. Price is ripping down here. If we get the 4 hour closing bearish, I'm pretty open for these sells.
Hell yeah, bro.
So we just got to wait now.
1000%. Yes, sir. We got the plan. Now it's time to be patient, disciplined to it, y'all.
Just got to wait.
We got a great read on this thing, though, and it looks good. So. Yo, shout out Discover Abandon in the chat. What's good, my man? Good morning to you, brother. Hope all is well.
Discover Abandoned. Yes, sir. My man. Good to see you, bro.
Sure.
Love seeing you have more people watching this than the news. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. This is the news, brother. This is the good news, baby. We got it.
The good news for sure.
What up, Andreas? Andreas, where
That's
you
great.
been,
That's
man?
always great to know.
Yo. How you been, bro?
Andreas, what's good, YOLO trader? Hell yeah, we got people
YOLO.
are woke now, you know. The news be programming people to do some weird things, so people are aware of it now, and they're programming themselves with different news now. So that's what's up.
Fresh out of jail, my man. It's good to have you back. You know, I didn't want to say, yo, you just got out, and you know, make you think I was jumping to conclusions, but that's what's up. It's good to have you back as a free man, bro. How was it? How was your stay?
Sarah, great to have you back, bro.
It's good to be a free man, eh?
Yo, Ecom Dre, where we at on the push-ups today, bro? How we looking?
He's like, I don't do push-ups. I only do squats.
Where we at on the squats?
Fresh out the pen, straight to the charts. Oh, damn. Gee. Yo, what a move down here, man. What a great move. Great.
Great read.
Sheesh.
Yo, what's good, Dominic? Good morning, my man.
That was another thank you, Mrs. Lippy, right there. That's what we call a thank you, Mrs. Lippy.
Sure.
Sheesh.
Would you just look at it?
Get him some pips.
Damn, we still got 10 minutes for this 4 hours. 4 hour may just want to go tap
4
that
hours
support.
ripping.
Yep.
We got a bleeder here, chat.
Ripping. This is good though, bro. Get away from them all-time highs.
Can you explain the fade? Yeah, so the fade was taken because pretty much the target had been tapped, right? So I wanted to take buys above this level here, right? And my buys, the buys that I did take, I was gonna secure partials on the 30-minute time frame right here, right? So right in this zone right there. So notice how we tapped that target right here. So we tapped that target, and as this next candle was starting to, you know, create a low, wherever it was, or I think it was this one. Which candle was that? 15-minute time frame. This one here, right? So as we started to create this low, we started moving back up. So that's where we put the sell stop, and then we got tapped in by like 2 pips, and then tapped out by like 5 pips, and then yeah, beautiful move in between. Beautiful move after that. But yeah, I mean the read was there. It was based off of the 30-minute candles pumping up and reaching its targeted zone. And then once it reached its target zone, that's where we started looking for the fade. The 15 minutes was showing signs of like the rejection and, you know, the move up here. And then kind of this was the area in which I wanted to fade it from, but no bueno. No bueno. No bueno. Massive drop. Yeah, 4 hour looking good though.
Yes, it is.
Right. I'll be right back, all right?
But yeah, man, if you caught these sells, congrats. Good work. On to the next now. Yeah, it's looking great. Daily and 4 hour are lining up perfectly. That's what you love to see. Four-hour onion, that's exactly that, right? We got a 4 hour closure, and that's the setup you got on the 4 hour, right? So we got the read on price, right? Now we just need the setup. We got our read. We know price wants to go down, right? We know price is bearish. Now we just need that setup going in that direction. Yo, what's good, Zebs? Doing fantastic, brother. How you doing? Yeah, just broke Asian range lows. Yep. Hey, we'll see how we react. I mean, it's looking good though to go down from a higher time frame perspective. That's for sure. For our closure, we get more information. More information is a better read on price. No trades taken for me today, Zebs. Being patient, sitting on my hands. I saw there were nice Asian sells I didn't participate in, but yeah, nothing for me today. Still looking to get on the board. This week is flying by, man. It's already Thursday. It's crazy.
Thursday. Hey, chat, who's gonna be in Miami this week? I got some time. I'll be back in Miami this week. If you guys want to link up on Monday, let me know. Maybe we'll do a quick little link up. I got pretty much all day Monday to chill, so let me know. Let's do something. Let's do
Get
it.
the man up, chat.
Let's do a little TTE meetup. Me and C Melly gonna play some golf on Sunday. Little Sunday. 86 pips to pass phase 1. Nice, man. Nice. Yeah, if you guys are in Miami, I'll be out there again this weekend. So if you guys want to link up, let's do it.
Hey, get that plane ticket.
Get that ticket. TK, you coming? I will not allow to. Even if
like, hell
TK
no.
wanted to come this time, I'll just no.
Oh,
Yo,
Wiz
Wiz
Buddha's about
Buddha.
to get in the golf action.
Wiz Buddha, you better be playing this time. We could do this every weekend. Yo, 45-minute plane ride to Miami, man. It's not bad at all. Not bad. I spend more time in the
Wow, bro.
airport going through waiting and stuff than I actually did on the flight.
Quick flight, bro. It's like a trip to the city.
Yeah. How about Wiz Buddha and C Melly? You guys leave your house when I fly. When I start flying. Let's see who gets there first.
Planes get in there first, no traffic. Holy smokes, 4 hour,
Yo.
4 hour support coming in hot.
Who's still in the fade?
At 24:44.
The
Sheesh.
amateur fade.
Wow.
Just closed full W, C Melly. W.
Damn, see, man,
Where
let's
was
get
your
it.
stops? Stops must have been a little higher. Yeah, amateur fade about 220 pips. Could we fade the fade? We might be able to fade the fade. What you doing in Miami? I got more hands to shake. I got more hands to shake.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, I'm actually hype. I'm gonna be meeting up with. I'm going to a Luke Capital Club Luke Belmar event. It's gonna be sick.
That is gonna be sick. Oh yeah, bro.
Close
Great
full as
connection.
well. Nice. Yeah, we're making good connections. August has been a great month of new connections. Luke Belmar, baby. Yeah, we're gonna meet Luke this weekend. Gonna probably meet my boy Colin out there. I'm sure he'll be there. Be lit.
Yeah, man, it's gonna be awesome.
I think 60 or 62 other high-level entrepreneurs. It's gonna be a good networking event. Wow, man, this thing really, really pushed.
Hey, nice. See, Melly, congrats, brother.
Let's go, C Melly. They ain't quake. Don't quake on C Melly. W, bro. Congrats, man. C Melly, man. C Melly, good stuff, bro. C Melly came into the elite program and literally just asked questions, got answers, and just acted. Right? If more of you guys were that way and you could avoid all the BS in between, he said to me so many times, like, why would I try and think I'm a beginner, right? Why am I going to try and think I know it all, right? So what did he do? He did what I did. He just followed a proven path, right? He just asked questions, shut up and listened, and then did the work. And that's why he's got success. Like, it's no surprise. Every successful person does the same thing. They ask questions, they shut up, and they work. And then they get results. That's what I did. My mentor would tell me things. There was nothing more for me to think about, talk about, nothing. It was just do. Right? Just do. So
First
shout out to
engineer.
C Melly. Great student, man.
Let's go, C
good.
Melly.
Proud of you, bro. All right. Well, 4-hour closing, no bottom wick. So that's fun.
All right, Nick. Peace, bro.
So, John, yeah. What you got going on
Sheesh,
today?
bro. Yeah, right.
Hey, by the way, I don't mean like shut up. You know what I mean? Like, don't. I mean like he asked questions and then he just got to work. Right? He just got to work. Didn't complicate it too much. Came back, had some mistakes. We tweaked it. We adjusted it. We went out next week. Came back, had a couple more mistakes. Tweaked it, adjusted. But what happened was every week, we were on to a new mistake, and that's cool, because we weren't getting caught up in the old mistakes anymore. So it's fine. You're always gonna make mistakes in the journey, right? But what he did was, when we reviewed his trades, we understood what his weak points were, and we focused that whole next week on making those weak points strong, right? So that way next week he was strong in those areas, and then that was the tweaking process. So W, bro. Congrats, man.
Let's go, C-Melly.
What's happening with gold? What's happening? Alea would say, what's happening? What's happening? What up, Tradeaholic? What's good? What's good?
Tradeaholic.
Yep. Can't be afraid to be a beginner. Can't be afraid to be an amateur. Oh, close full now. Took 3 total sells. W. Yeah, W, guys. If you guys really if you guys held that sell all the way, good job. That was money move. Money, money. All right, so let's talk about this real quick. So we got this 4-hour candle here, right? This 4-hour candle closed bearish, but with no bottom wick, right? Let's take a look at the daily really quick. So daily just broke the lows, flipped down, broke the lows, but the 4-hour now throws us an issue, right? So the 4-hour candle has no bottom wick. We did close very nicely. Like, this is the way I would love to see this candle close, but the whole bottom wick missing is a bit of a bummer here. So let's take a look at some lower time frames and see where we can potentially have some better opportunities. So there's a pretty strong support sitting here. That candle also closed above with no wick, so these sells are off the limits for me. Yeah, so the only thing we do now, or the only thing I'm going to do now, is just sit tight and wait. So if we can get some new price action, right, that comes up and fakes out and then starts to move back down like this, then those sells are pretty valid, right? To hit that wick, wherever this wick comes to, we fill that wick and then potentially continue lower. But as of this very moment, there is nothing to do. Yeah, maybe fade, but not yet. Gotta wait for 9:15, 9:30, and then possibility for that. Yeah, but this move right here was absolute straight up money. Damn. Yeah, I didn't expect us to come all the way down towards that support there, but I guess, you know, daily candle bearish here. Yeah, push through all this range here for us. Yeah, I'm trying to see where potential buys I'd say are decently pretty good above, what is that, 44? Potential buys above 44, closure above there. Yeah, unless we get a fade. So unless price wants to continue running down here, cleaning out this whole second range, and then there may be that opportunity. But as of right now, there's nothing. Nothing.
Patience, y'all.
When do the next elites open up? They're going to open up probably next week. Yeah, next week. So we'll see if we get all of them filled by... Typically, I open them on the 20th, and then we get them all filled by like the 25th, 26th, and then we shut it down and ready to go for a new month. Yeah. New month. What else we got here, chat? Any good questions? Any good questions? We got 15 minutes. We can probably talk about some stuff, learn some stuff.
Wait,
Let's just
wait on this 15.
Wait on all this. Yeah, no
Can't believe
wick,
that 4
no
hour close.
range. Right now, this candle's looking for the wick to fill. It's like, where you at, bro? Where you at?
Yes, sir. Yes, facts.
Yeah. Hey, yo, chat.
Yeah,
So
at least it's in the name.
if you guys are like legit in Miami this weekend, so send like a message. Send a message in like I don't know. Send me a message on Instagram. Yeah. Just send me a message on Insta, and then we'll try and arrange something on Monday afternoon. I should still be able to stream on Monday. I got a new laptop, so we'll see. I'll probably stream from Miami on Monday, so that way we don't have to have no stream that day. I'm in Miami, but not physically.
On the laptop?
Yeah, I'll just stream on the laptop. Worst case, we just do Zoom. But it should be
Smart,
good for
brother.
YouTube stream. Come on, man. We got to get you physically there, bro. Perfect fade before news.
Coming,
Oh,
bro.
I thought that was amateur. Yeah, that was a perfect fade. Almost perfect.
Hey, PM Magnifico, it has to happen in the spiritual realm before the physical realm, bro. So you're just following the process.
That's right. Can I hold a sell? Sure, why not?
Yeah, Scott, it's funny, bro. Got that same energy.
Please do a breakdown on movement. Yeah, so the reason we pushed straight through all this is because it was all news. So this our news candle right here. This 830 candle. So it's all news. So that's what made it very easy to push through there. How do you predict price action? You study your you just study, man. You study and you develop certain patterns, right? You find a handful of certain patterns, certain setups that you can commonly like watch and collect data on, and then you don't predict it, but you anticipate it, right? So based off of previous data, you anticipate what price will do next. So the more experience you have, the more data you collect, the more of a prediction you can go ahead and make. So it's really just an educated guess at the end of the day, but it's yeah, that's the only way to do it. Did I watch the video you sent me? No, I didn't actually. On Discord? Nah, I gotta check it out. Send me a message again so it pops up to the top. Pop it up. Yeah, so pretty much the same thing as yesterday is starting to show up here. So now we're tapping into the next level here. So we're going to see how we react towards this level, and then there may be some fade opportunities coming up.
We got a bleeder.
Man down. We got a bleeder. How many years have I been trading? I don't know. How many is it now? I think 5 or 6. 2019-ish. Really, 2020 is when I really put the hammer down. Yeah, 2020 is when I really started to get going. I knew about trading. I was even trading binary options in like 2017, but it wasn't anything serious.
You stop counting once you blow your third account, you know?
Yeah. Every time Nick answers that question.
Yo, let's get your nose. Morning, bro.
Yanosh. Oh, man. I need to learn your playbook? Yeah,
go.
you can. You can. Yeah, so the next step here is pretty much you wait for a pullback, right? So you wait for price to pull back, plant you a new resistance, and then go ahead and take more sells, right? That's basically the best idea here. Now, if you're experienced enough and you understand the fade, this is where you can potentially take advantage of this move up, right? So we'll see if we can take advantage of that and then take advantage of this a little bit later when that plays out. So I think the remainder of our session, we're most likely going to probably hunt for this. And then after in the afternoon, that's probably when the next leg down is going to come. Give the stream a like, by the way. Friendly reminder, yeah, give the stream a like here. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, if you guys haven't got your top 1 account, your buy-in account yet, don't forget to join the competition. We're going to be throwing some cash prizes at the winners. So if you guys are looking to make some cash, it's probably going to be a couple thousand. Don't forget to sign up for that. Yeah, I think it's !comp. And you guys can sign up for that. And if you're not following me on IG, go follow me on IG. This, by the way, if you guys are in Miami, hit me up on Instagram. Yeah, let's link up. Let's link up on the 9th. Yeah, on the wait, what is today? The 9th. The 19th. Yeah, let's link
15th.
up on the 19th. Yeah, I'll be there 18, 19, and then my wife's birthday, or 17, 18, 19, and then my wife's birthday is the 20th. Yeah, that's my IG right here. So if you are in Miami, hit me up. Right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. Yeah.
It's Nick Stewart.
Timeout, George. That one support at 25 got me. Which one, brother? Oh, let me move this.
Inverted celery, bro.
Inverted celery.
No one knows nothing.
Anna headed to Miami. Unfortunately, Anna's going to stay back. I was trying to get the whole family to come, but it's going to be another solo trip. So me and C-Melly are going to play some more golf. I'm going to head to the Luke Belmar event. We're going to try and have a little TTE meetup on the 19th. I got to meet with like 2 other people on the 19th out there, and then back home. Back home.
Back home you go.
Yeah, so the fade's fading now on the way up. Somebody knows something. No, I never heard it that way before. Would you look at that?
Would you look at this?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more
Look at it.
blemishes on the card.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
Am I going to be streaming in Miami? Yeah, I'm going to be streaming in Miami on Monday, so we won't miss a stream. Well, I'm pretty sure I will be. There could be some technical difficulties, but yeah, we should be good. So 4 hour with no wick here. Price coming down, looking for that wick, can't seem to find it. Might start moving back up, and then you may have a 4 hour fake out by the end of the day here. Because I'm curious about the daily candle, right? So if this 4 hour candle fakes out, then that means that the daily candle moves back up. And if that daily candle moves back up, then what happens is it closes back above the range, right? Meaning this range right here, right? Notice how we never closed below there yet. So if this daily candle, you know, it fills the wick, it breaks the low, it taps into a bunch of supports on the lower time frame, and then just starts heading back up. Maybe that may be the case here today. Just past phase 2, W. What about US 30? What about it? Like what's the question? Can sell now? Ask Raja. I think he's, yeah, ask him. He might give you a better answer than me. All right, so no wick here. So let's see what happens now. We've got the 15-minute, I believe. Yeah, the 15-minute candle started. So if this candle does push down, then I'll have a sell stop on the break of the high again. If not, and it just moves up, then we may look at 30-minute buys off of the if we close as support here. Do I trade different on a prop account than a live? Not really. Not really. I might be a little bit more aggressive, like let's say on like a challenge phase, but not really. Same stuff. How does one work on themselves in order to find their woman of God? Well, first you need to know what that woman is, right? Describe the woman in full detail, write her down on paper, understand exactly what you want, and then you got to ask yourself, well, if that's the ideal woman for me, then what would that ideal woman like in a man? And then you have to become that man. And then eventually when you two kind of little just boom, the chemicals just bam, boom, love at first sight. You know what I mean?
Facts.
Yeah. Got motion. All of a sudden your friends are like, oh, wow, Jimmy, got a nice gal there. Yeah, I know. We could trade Bitcoin with TTE. No issues. No issues, man. No issues, man. No issues, man. Yeah, BTC's chilling. I'm probably gonna talk to Luke a little bit about Bitcoin this weekend too. But yeah, he's been pretty much my shot caller when it comes to the moves I make on BTC. So he's honestly been on the money. He's been on the money about a lot of things. A lot of things. Girls don't like me? Why not? What's up, bro? Why don't they like you, dude?
Girls don't like me.
There you go. That's the question. Do you like you? Do you
gotta
like
attract the girl you want, brother.
All right, here we go. We got 9:30 coming up here. Big closure, big closure. Self-talk. Self-talk, man. You gotta have some confidence. You know what I mean? Some confidence.
Oh, yeah.
You're him. You're him.
Him. Period. What a period.
You the carrot king. You the carrot king, bro. Energy in the house. Talk, yeah, self-talk, man. Self-talk. What
Energy.
to say when you talk to yourself.
That's one of the best books. I highly suggest people read that.
Himothy. You're Himothy.
Yeah, it's hilarious, bro. Timothy.
Change your name, yeah, to him. I took the fade. Let's go. Nice job. Would you take it on the 15-minute? I would have liked it if we kind of attempted to fill that wick a little bit more. I was looking at it. So worst case, you don't take your fade. Then the next step is to wait for the onion here, right? The support to be formed. And if you are in the fade, and you do get that onion, I mean, that's good news, right? So at that point, you're already X amount of pips in profit. At that time, you get a strong support. You already know you're going to have a good running trade there. So keep that in mind. Like, the whole point of the fade is to get it before the support is formed, right? So if we think a support's going to be formed right here and it's 930, chances are if you break the high, it's not going to wait till 10, right? To kind of like stay right here. It's gone. So at that point, if it does close like strong and you're already in it, like let's say 20 pips in profit, this will most likely be a good trade for you, you know, because now you're getting a brand new setup to show up. As if like you weren't even in the fade, you'd be taking a new setup anyway. So those are all good signs. Like if you're in the fade right now from here and you get this candle to close like that, yeah, man, that's good. You'll have a good move ahead of you. All right, Rob, trade. See you later, brother. Have a nice day, man.
Peace, Rob.
Later, Gator. I'm afraid of grizzly bears. Honestly, me too.
Later, Jeep.
If I seen a grizzly bear, I'd be semi-frightened as well.
For sure. I'm not Khabib, you know.
I'll have to look up some Khabib videos on YouTube real quick. How to beat this grizzly
Get some wrestling lessons.
Hey, I'll be right back, right?
Daddy, what's good, chat? Y'all got some good energy for me today? I know everyone's got that great energy. Yo, shout out the Mod Yard. Shout out Green. Greenery in the chat. What's good, Green? Hey, we got a juicer here. Hey, thank you, Kendall. You're the GOAT. Appreciate you. I'm just trying to learn and grow and get better every single day, you know? Oh, that's a good question. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad do I miss Florida? I would say a 9.8. 9.8, yeah, I do miss Florida for sure. That's another reason why I wanted to come to New York, just to feel like I'm missing out on Florida, or just like start missing Florida, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, let me get out of Florida so I can start to miss it. I like doing that just so I understand what it is that I don't have, right? And then once I have it, I can really start to appreciate it again. Kind of weird. Yeah, it is a nice mental hack, facts. Yeah. Yeah, facts. it's good to do that. You know, I want to, as I start making some more profits and trading and stuff too, I'm going to start traveling a lot. Like, yeah, just start going to places I love going to, seeing like new parts of the world, discovering it and stuff like that. Reasoning behind move up? Well, it seems like yes, the daily's bearish, but it seems like the 4-hour closed with no bottom wick, and the 4-hour also is at some sort of wick rejection. Then on the lower time frames, we are at some supports, right? So, and we haven't really made a top wick either. So, I think that's a good enough reason of price going up. Yes.
He's what do they call it? Side questing? He's just on a different different map in the video game. He's in New York.
Yes, sir.
How many of you guys just want to side quest? Just at any given time be able to say, hey, I'm gonna jump on a metal tin flying can and go somewhere else and play the game of life on that side of the map.
Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, man. Now when I get to really start to appreciate the things that are there and stuff like that. You know what I mean, Nick?
Yep. Change of scenery.
Yep.
Slow down here, Gold. Slow down.
Bro, that was fire. Nice juice up.
Trade locker or match trade? Probably trade locker. Let me hey, lights fire. Let me fast travel real quick. Hey, yo, Engineer 14, man, save some pips for the rest of us, bro.
We needed that just major bleeder.
Yeah.
It was only right.
Which one's the top one use? Top one uses C Trader, Match Trader, and Trade Locker. Kenya. All right. All right, let's see how we do here come 9:30. Got on the break of I think the break of the 15 high was the best here. Yeah. That was money.
That was like the inverted celery I was thinking of.
Yep. Yeah, that was nice. This one was nice here. Yeah, if we would have had a little bit of a like a better push down, I think this would have been awesome. But it still was really good. I think we moved up like almost 100 pips. Very nice. What up, Kelvin? What's good, bro? What's good? All right, let's stretch this out. Let's see where we are. So we got support. Let's see, we're coming up into these levels here. Let's see how we close on the 30-minute here. No top way. Yo. Hey, yo. All right. Yeah, so that's actually a pretty good sign anyway, because we're really just looking for a retracement at this point, right? So 30-minute, 15-minute closing with no top wick. Let's see how this candle, if this candle does make its way up, I'll have a sell stop on the break of the low. Yeah. Yeah, the buys are gone. You know, they're gone. They're 100 pips up at this point. 140 pips. Go playing with us today. Go playing games.
Yeah, gold's trolling.
Gold's trolling. Gold is mad at us today? I think so. Gold, don't be mad. Don't be mad. We gave you some money. We gave you some money today. Gold trolling. Gold's on the side quest? Yeah. Yeah, if we can pump up here, break the highs, then I think a sell stop on the break of these lows actually isn't too bad. This is what we kind of drew up earlier. Agree. Let it play someone else. Sir, buy or sell? I love that. That's my favorite question. My favorite. Legit.
Yeah, right. It's like, what do you want to type?
Setup won't be
You're supposed
outside
to-
the playbook? Okay. Okay. Outside the playbook? What you mean? What you mean? It's time to go back to GJ. GJ. No, we've been doing good. We've been doing good with gold. Gold. It's been all gold. All this whole year, it's been all gold, man. Haven't traded anything else since February. Maybe in March once. Nope. No, nothing but gold here since February. One NASDAQ trade in April. That was it. That was the last trade on the NASDAQ.
Damn, bro. Honestly, I totally
Straight
forgot
gold.
about NAS.
Straight gold. June was the biggest month. June was the biggest month, man. I think we have 50 something trades in June.
Yeah, word. That's crazy.
Yeah, that was nuts. June just went off. Look
June's
all
always
these
a great
days.
month.
We had multiple
Honestly.
trades almost every day. The market was just handing food out.
Then June is a great month to be trading the way we trade.
Yeah, it is. June typically is my best month.
Which is great because it's always like the start of the summer, you know. So
Yeah. All right, let's see what happens here. So we got no wick on this candle here on the top of the 30-minute candle. Let's see how we do in terms of moving up, and then there may be some opportunities for us to catch this daily candle to potentially continue moving back down. Yeah, otherwise we may just juice here. First week of June I was up 8%. Oh, got clapped the rest of the month. Damn. Yeah, June was solid.
yes, sir. Damn, tradeaholic.
All good. Not every month could be a green month.
Definitely not.
February and I think March were both months I didn't make money here this year. Other than that, we good.
Next February, maybe we should do some. Go to like Colorado in the
Next
mountains or
February we
something.
do the mod trip.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro.
February I lost money. March I think I had like a BE month, and then every month since then's been just straight money.
Yeah. Chat, it's okay, you know, to have a bad month or a losing month or a month where you're just taking time and getting out of drawdown. Like, because we just keep operating as a casino, we keep executing on edge, right? We're gonna have 10, 9, 8 great months, right? That are just gonna defeat those 2 bad months where we were just spending time getting out of drawdown or, you know, at BE, whatever it may be. So don't sweat it, you know. Good months, you got to be able to handle the bad months for the good months, right? You got to take the good with the bad and take the full experience of being a trader and embrace it. But nothing wrong with that, right? Nothing wrong with being a loser. Nothing wrong with nothing wrong with being in drawdown, and nothing wrong with having a red month. Right? The best traders in the world are still do everything that I just said, right? They still have those type of months and everything.
Oh wait, did I just tell you I had a red month? Oh, I wasn't supposed to say that as an influencer live streamer, man. I don't care, right? Everyone's trying to act like they're profitable every month and make all this money. Who gives a rip, man? This is the game. This is how it goes. Most people aren't going to tell you that stuff.
Yep, Nick, look at February. Look at his month in February. He had a red month. Look at the rest of that, right? Everything's been up top, right? On a nice bull trend. So can't sweat it, man. Can't.
Yeah, I wasn't supposed to say that as your IG guru.
Nah, facts, man.
I don't give a rip. I'm here to show you guys the realness of trading, man, not the BS, you know, stuff you see on, you know, everyone shows the highlight reel. We're here to show you what really goes down, how the month by month really works.
Yeah, facts, bro. If there's traders actually telling you that you're not supposed to have a red month, like, I'm sorry to tell you, they're lying. They're lying to you. Right? I'm here to tell you, yes, it's gonna happen, but that doesn't mean it's the end of the world, right? It's okay. It's part of the business. Fine.
Yep. How do you handle losing streaks? You just handle them, you know. You size down, you review your trades, you study, you see what's taking place, what's changed, you know what I mean? Is it just the market? Is it you? Do you have situations going on outside of the desk? Like, what's going on, right? And then just slowly it's okay to chill out for a bit too, like not trade for a week, you know what I mean? And just chill and just observe the markets, and then size down, build your confidence back up. Once you size down, you'll be you know, risking less, so you'll be more willing to just let your trades play out. And then, you know, through time, you'll just see, hey, you know, that was just the probability. Like, remember, the outcome of each trade is random. So, you know, losses can come. Like, let's say you're going to take 20 losses in the course of 100 trades. Man, like 7 of them might come back to back to back to back, right? But if you keep running, then the numbers will work themselves out, as long as you don't quit, as long as you don't grow weary, as long as you don't switch up the strategy. You know, like, I think most people just aren't consistent enough to understand that the actual details and nuances of any given strategy. They take a couple hits, they take a couple losses, and then they're out. So you got to experience, you know, you have to go through that whole cycle in order to actually be confident in your playbook. So I knew that the 2 years before, I had ran into a month or two of bad trades, but everything worked itself out by the end of the year. So I had that experience to back me in February, and just continued to rely on the playbook and size down, right? Built my confidence back up, and then just kept winning.
Yes, sir.
Just kept winning. On to the next trade.
Yes, sir, bro. And that's why we say, you know, me or Nick will say, you know, save for a rainy day, right? With the trading profits you make sure you're preserving some of that for a rainy day as well, just so if you have a month where you're just trying to get out of drawdown, or you have a bad month, like, you still got money, right? You still got money, and you're not trading out of a place of neediness, right? Because neediness just repels money. So, you know, it's okay to have a red month when you got money on the side, you know, like, that you're sitting on, that you can still use to help you with your time getting out of drawdown.
Yep. Chilling.
That makes sense.
Yes, it does.
But
Yeah, so if we close back below, we may get a fake out. I might be interested in sells here coming back down. We got to leave a wick though, and then we should be able to go ahead and fill that wick. We drew this out earlier, but we'll see if this candle plays nice for us here. Yeah, this is our 9:30 candle, but we got 5 minutes for the 15-minute to close here, and then there'll be more volume on the tail end of 9:30 here. So if this can pull back a little bit, that'd be great. Or if it closes above, then I'm pretty interested in buys if this candle closes above the range here. Yeah, anyone who's not willing to show you losses, I mean, there's something up there, right? No one wins every trade. Nobody. So if all you see is win, 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 you know.
Tapping.
You gotta tell them, stop the cap.
Stop the cap.
Yes, please stop the cap.
Please stop the cap. There's a guy on IG who never loses.
Jeez.
There's probably a million guys on IG who never loses.
Yeah, right. Honestly, Chad, I just want to, you know, make sure you guys don't go down the wrong path. You know, like, I'm grateful enough for some great guidance from Nick, you know, and I would just, if a trader out there is telling you that you should be a perfect trader, 100% win rate, they're lying to you, and you need to get away immediately. Chief Joseph, I think, like, it's all personal, like, whatever you want to do with those two accounts. Like, maybe you want to trade one, keep one on the side, maybe you want to trade both, right? Or maybe you want to have one, cut your losses on one of them, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, whatever you want to do with those, you could do. There's no right or wrong.
All right, Louis G. See you later, bro. What time we got? 9:42 here. So yeah, we'll see what happens on this 15. If we close a no bottom wick, I'm probably just gonna call it a day, because that'll be like 3 times now. So you got no bottom wick here, and then you got no top wick here, and if this candle closes with no bottom wick, it's over for the next couple hours. You may just range a bit. So yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, that 4-hour close with no top wick, no bottom wick was just crazy.
When last did I end the red month red? In February. Yeah, this is a red month here for me. Lost money in this month. Lost some money. Only took 3 wins in the entire month. I was down bad, chat. I was down bad, man. Imagine coming to the stream and the record. You know how hard it was to come to the record was like 2 wins, 12 losses. It was so embarrassing.
I bet, bro. Hey man,
Yeah,
you're a beast, bro. Just to make it, just to, you know, be on a live streaming drawdown and just continue to execute like a GG. That's what's up.
How many people are here now? Because let's see, how many people are here? 1,500. Yeah, we hit that losing streak. Not only did we lose some money, but we also, like, I think our viewers went down to like 600-700, right? So we just stayed consistent, man. It is what it is, right? If you guys want to hang around, you hang around. We're going to continue trading. We just stuck to our guns, stuck to our word, kept executing, didn't let any of that affect our attitude or our actions. So we just kept our attitude and actions on 100 and kept doing what works, what we know that we can count on that works, and the numbers played themselves out. Not only did the wins start coming up, but the people started coming back. How you doing? Right?
Yes, sir,
More
yes,
people
sir.
here to impact. So yeah. Hey, if you guys could like the stream, let's get to 500. Let's get to 500. See if we can get to 500.
Wow.
You know, and now we maintain 15, you know, 1,600 the whole stream. So we're doing something right. I'm happy that it's helping you guys, and we're just gonna keep it moving, keep running.
Sir.
most streamers would have quit there. They would have said, this is gonna be hard.
100%, bro. And if you're taking guidance from anyone, you want guidance from someone who's got grit, commitment, dedication, and consistency. And that, my friend, is the name of Nick Stewart.
Nah, you know, that I hope that's a good example for you guys too. Like just seeing someone who says they're gonna do something and does it, right? Sticks to it. Even with I told you guys we'd have a lot more break-even trades due to me holding positions longer. You guys even see that now. Like, you know, could have closed yesterday's position, right? But wanted to keep that open, wanted to keep the promises I made to myself about really holding on to my trades a bit longer so that way I can get the most out of them, right? As a trader. So everything you hear me say, you'll see me do. We don't change.
Yeah. Sorry, bro.
I'm not subscribed yet, but I did like the video. Dope, man. Dope. We'll earn your subscription over time. Yeah, we'll earn it over time. Everyone's down for the ride, but not everyone's down to change a tire or two. I dig it. I dig it.
Facts, right? It's that tire is flat. Who's getting out of the car first? You know.
Yeah. Nick, give me a job. I need money. All right, your job is to go get a job. If you get a job, I'll give you $1. Breach my account.
Yes, sir, y'all.
Didn't trade for 2 months. Nah, yeah, that's cool. Take a little break. We'll all give you $1 if you get a job. How about that? It's
a lot of dollars, bro.
$1,400 right there, man.
Yep.
All right, so we're just really kind of ranging here now. So you've got this is pretty much our range that we're sitting in. So we got support here, right? We've got resistance. There's no bottom wick on the 4 hour. That's the only reason I'm a little hesitant on sells here. There's no bottom wick. There's no top wick. No bottom wick. It's just getting ugly here.
I agree, bro. I agree.
Yeah, the downside's not looking the hottest. The upside's looking pretty good, but you need a closure above there. Shout out Philippines. Shout out to the Philippines. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Tills is gonna give you $2 if you get a job. Holy, you might have almost 3 G's if everyone gives you $2.
Someone said $3 too. So it's growing, bro.
Gang, if I was in super dire desperate need, I would personally probably go make myself look really nice in a button up, maybe even a tie, maybe not, some nice slack pants, nice shoes. I'd get a sign, I'd write it really nice, and I'd just write, hey, I'm in a pinch, I'm in a struggle, I need $50 for rent. And I'd stand there all day long. And everyone would be like, well, you know, he only needs 50. He looks like a nice guy, nice, you know, I'll throw him 20. I'll throw him 10. You know, by the end of the day, you probably have $500-600. How bad do you want it? Put your Venmo, put your Cash App, write it on the back of your car. Just, hey man, just need $50 for rent. Help me out of a pinch.
Right. Chilling. You never know. You could be your lucky day. You meet a billionaire and he just blesses you up with like 1,000. You know.
Never know. Maybe a guy says, hey, you look like a sharp kid, man. What are you doing standing out here? Well, I'm just trying to make $50 for my rent, man. I'm a couple bucks short. I might have a job for you, kid. The next thing you know, you're working for a billionaire.
Right.
Ain't that?
Facts, bro. So true.
I've been wearing a suit on your. Oh, that's fire. Hey. Oh, I thought
that's not work. That's bumming.
Telling them to beg if you need to, man. Beg if you got to. Beg or get kicked out of your apartment. You tell me.
Of course, always be humble. Sure.
You have to be. You have to always be humble. Everything could be gone in an instant. In one instant, everything could be gone. So there's no point in acting like Tarzan.
Yeah, facts.
All right, yeah. So
Sir,
we'll
what's
see what
up?
happens here. I think the range on the way down is what, like, oh wow, that's a 42 pip range. That's crazy.
Ranges are massive.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna chill out, wait for some better price action here. We may range a little bit. I do like buys on the way back up here. We'll see what happens. The sells aren't that great here, gang. The 4-hour close and no bottom wick. It's very difficult to take these sells here right now. You've got a massive support level right here on the 30-minute time frame. It's just not the hottest. I do like if we start to travel back up though. This is a very clean range from 50 all the way to 67 here. This is a really good range to trade. I would say you got at least like a 60, 65 pip advantage point, and then that's like 160 pip move back up there. So that's what I would probably be looking for. 1 hour that breaks the 1 hour highs. Be careful on these sells, man. You got this 4 hour with no bottom wick at all. So we already went down there and started shooting back up. So yeah, that's what makes these sells a little bit difficult, but you see how we're starting to print sideways here. So just wait for familiar price action, and then, you know, maybe let it rip a little bit later. Yeah, also the 1 hour never closed below the range here either. So just be careful with this. Yeah. Yeah, if this 1 hour can close strong, then maybe there's that opportunity to take your sells based off the 1 hour chart. But other than that, not looking too hot for sells.
Thanks.
But yeah, I think we'll call it a day here. Pretty simple day today, pretty chill day. A lot of news, a lot of movement. Good. We had a really good read up here on the fade. Price came down. I think John, you took the fade on the way up too, right?
Yes, yeah, I did.
Good read on that. Yup, 15-minute gave you a pretty
The
decent
15-minute
opportunity as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, good trade.
So yeah, that's gonna do it here today. One trade, I think. One trade or two trade? One trade, right? Yeah, one trade. So yeah, that's it for today. And then tomorrow's Friday, so we'll come back tomorrow. We'll end the week strong. It's been a really good week so far. So we've been very disciplined and diligent in our approach here. Where are we? August. Yeah, it's been a good week so far. I think today was our first loss of the week, and we'll see if we can come back and rebound tomorrow. Cool. Shout out to all you guys that didn't get hit stops on that fade. That was a beautiful move. Great read on the markets there. John, good job. Thanks for coming by as well, man.
So, thanks for having me, bro.
Yes, sir. I will.
So.
Go ahead, bro.
Yes, sir. So yeah, just give me a call later. Hope you have a good day, brother. And
yes,
Chad, I hope you guys stay blessed and enjoy the rest of your day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right, man.
Peace,
later, Gator.
Yeah.
Chat.
Peace.
I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy it. We'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll end the week strong here. If I take anything else, I'll probably chit chat in the Discord a little bit. So if you guys aren't in our Discord, join the Discord, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow. All right. Y'all have a great one. I'm out of here. Can't tell it all. Enjoy the gems. Later, chat. Don't over risk. Don't over trade. Sub to the channel on the way out. Like the stream. And see you guys tomorrow. Love y'all. Later. Peace.
Yeah, I'm about to step in the ring for the fight of my life. Hit my knees and I strap on my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was 7. And thing is, I'm already covered in blood. Walking in love, this for the ones who've been stuck in the mud. Searching for hope. Trust me, I know what it feel like to drown in my problems, but God came and threw me the rope. Can't wait to look in his eyes. All of my life, I've been battling lies. I found the truth and took off my disguise. Come from my head, I still live for the prize. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I was in the city going down, trying to blow. Everything changed when I learned to let it go. Hopping on stage, I ain't in it for the show. Only got one life, so I gotta let them know. Talk about real. I seen a man's whole bad hill. I seen a woman drooling out the mouth. I seen the demons in the cast it out. I seen my brother throw his whole vape in the lake. Seen smooth heal from the dark. I seen the spirit change my own heart. Can't tell it all, but this a good start. Christopher.
K to the second letter. Who keys to the Jeep and the Hiller. They ain't never been realer. I am not shook, I'm aligned in chiller. My face blue steel, I ain't never been stiller. Ooh, KB ain't gotta get bigger. Ooh, Southside sing killers, bring light to the dark spots. Wake up, I didn't make up this dog, the divine concealer. On the bread of heavens like the red and black 11s, walking through the pearly gates. Bobby do the most, I'm in the Holy Ghost. I'm looking like the Pope swerving raves. They gon' get the word today. I send a text back, never curved the fate. Jesus, curses break, slaves get freed and the words awake. Ever see that dope dealer? Cold killer, gold brilla crying on the floor with us. Cause your hoe hit him, had a hole in him, now you got a hole in it. Tell him the Dead Sea here. We the new Israel, Israel, God really lives here. Watch the sin here, way more than 10. We begin here. We begin here. I put my hand on the Bible, the Lord is my witness that KB is closer than blood. I got that HGA tatted right next to my heart, so you know it's gonna always be love. Don't need no contracts or labels, you know we got him a seat at my table. Hovey little bro, so I'm willing and able. I keep some riders at home in the stable. Whoa, 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 I done told it all, but I still got more. Remember when the folks got killed next door? Partner told me sell pills, not blow. Shorty told me my career won't blow. Swear I don't care about the status. Why would I clout chase when God is my daddy? Take all my records, my money, my Grammys, I'm still gonna die richer than you can imagine. Jesus the king, I'm his prophet. Send me to Nineveh, I get it poppin'. They see an interview, swear I ain't with it. I say come see what I do in my city. From cooling with Kendrick to walking through Romans with people in prison. Let me stop talking, cause man, I've been did it. Can't let my left hand on my right position. Y'all just gonna have to see when I transition. I can't tell it all, man. Let's go. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be bustin', where they end your life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? 1 more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. Death hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fox. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we slinging the rock. We kicking this beating, why serve you short? Even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me. Yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. To the day we see them. This feel like the moment we seeking, the day we can sing up the one to get freedom to walk. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk.